Well, we ended up buying the skip the line ticket through some app online. And this is the line that we're not skipping because we still have to wait in line. I guess it's October 31st during the slow season, and look how busy it is. Imagine how crazy this is at in the middle of the peak season. And we're here at noon, so it's not like it's the earliest time of the day. Took a long time to get in. I was a little frustrated with the process, but I hope the rest of the day goes much better. But look at all that gold-plated decorations on the building on the outside. Inside Versailles, this is part of Delphine's apartment. I don't know who Delphine is. Whoa! Almost tripped over the rope. That's the rope I almost tripped over. So Anna says that this is Mom's birthday present right here, her Christmas present. New acquisition from 1720, 1763-ish. Oh, that thing's pretty cool. And that globe is pretty cool. Look at that. Dark and light, and it even has a texture on it. That's pretty cool. One thing I'm also admiring is the woodwork on the floor. Let's take a big look at this room. Here's somebody's bedroom. It's kind of like the bedroom we have. Delphine's bedroom. The soir, the night. 1674, 1683. One of the most beautiful and famous sculptures of Versailles. They say this is one of the most famous sculptures here. Yep. This guy's hunting dog and going hunting. Look at that clock there. That's pretty amazing. Of course, all the artwork was always spectacular too. Adelaide, grand cabinet. I like your little tea set there. Little kitty chairs for the kids. And look at that amazing pipe organ there. I wish I had the opportunity to play that pipe organ. So this is Horses of the Sun drinking. Look at this statue. Pretty cool detail. Detail's amazing. Look at that. Just think of the skill it would take to make that. Yeah, see the pipe organ up there? He's Louis the 13th, King of France. I know I've seen that picture before. Kind of ugly looking guy if you ask me. But if I were to say that to his face, he'd probably have me beheaded. Little history of France here. Charles VII. I got this in 1450. Look at that. Amazing. This is the upstairs, second floor, looking into the cathedral. That's here on site. I'll get closer in a second. The Royal Chapel. I'm going to zoom in. This is the top of the ceiling of the Royal Chapel. Okay, folks, you have to pay attention to this one. I'm just now walking into this room. And look at what I see up here. Wow. Look at the details around this. Oh, look at this fireplace. Look at this huge fireplace. Oh, look at this marble. Detail on this marble and the wood. More marble. The fireplace itself. How'd you like to have this for your living room? I could see having my couch here in the middle. Got the fireplace. Big screen TV. But I guess this is still part of the chapel. I see the picture of Jesus over there. There's so much to take in here. It sort of gets overwhelming after a while. Well, just look at this. From one room to the next. More statues. Whoa, more statues over here. You can see the gardens outside. More rooms. Just amazing. We just walk in here. We passed one. I didn't even do the video of that last room. From one to the next to the next. Just full of such beautiful artwork. So this, it appears, would be the king's chamber. All the curtains are drawn to keep the light from fading the fabric. Let me get a close-up look here. Got a clock, paintings, fireplace, chandelier. Wow. I think I need a bedroom like this. Wow. And if all this wasn't good enough, I think we're heading into the main attraction, or one of the main attractions up here. I think we're coming up to the Hall of Mirrors. Mirrors were very expensive back in the day. I think this is the Hall of Mirrors. I am right. It is the Hall of Mirrors. All the way down to the end of the room. Popular place to come get your picture taken. These chandelier holders, a lot of details on them. This is like everything else put together, combined into one big, long, amazing room. It's in the Coronation room. Coronation of the Emperor. I guess the coronation would have happened here, supposedly. This is the second most famous room, I believe. Battles. I wonder how many hours it would have taken to paint every single one of these paintings throughout here. Alright, so here's one important to me, United States history. Siege of Yorktown, General Rochambeau and General Washington. Up there. Alright, so we've got the little go-kart going here. Go-kart action. Woohoo! $42 for the first hour. But you have to stay on the path, and it takes 45 minutes to drive, so you're definitely going to spend more than 42 euros. I said dollars, but euros. Well, everybody else is walking behind us. We're taking the speedy route and hitting all the potholes. Oh, look at that. But look at that beautiful fountain behind us. We're supposed to stay on the path here. I really don't care to go see everything else. So we just want to go see Marie Antoinette's house. That's all I care to see, and I don't want to walk. I'm tired of walking. And there she is, Marie Antoinette. This is inside the Petit Trianon, where the Queen lived and enjoyed having her own space, which I might add was as far away from the from Versailles Castle as possible. I wonder if that was by design. You never know. The music room, Salon de Compagnie. Look at that. Here's the indoor outhouse. Indoor plumbing right there. This is the outside alcove of the Grand Trianon. Look at that. A lot of history in this place. This is like the earlier history. 1600s.